Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to solve a beautiful problem which is combination of arithmetic and algebra. So what the question is? The question is, if x is equal to 2 plus root 3, then you have to compute or calculate the value of 1 over x and x plus 1 over x. And the rest two questions, that is question number 3 and question number 4, can be calculated using the values of these two. So we have x is equal to 2 plus root 3 and we are supposed to calculate or compute 1 over x. So 1 over x is, let us substitute the value of x. The value of x is 2 plus root 3. So you need to substitute the value over here. Now to simplify this expression, simplify this numerical expression, you can see that this is a sum of a rational number 2 and an irrational number root 3. The sum of a rational number and an irrational number is an irrational number. So the denominator over here is an irrational number. So let us rationalize the denominator of this number. For rationalizing the denominator of a number, we just need to multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. We have denominator as 2 plus root 3 and the conjugate of 2 plus root 3 will be 2 minus root 3. That is, we are multiplying the numerator by 2 minus root 3 and denominator by 2 minus root 3. Now multiply 2 minus root 3 by 1, which gives us 2 minus root 3, and here you can see that 2 plus root 3 times 2 minus root 3, that is it is of the form a plus b times a minus b, which is a square minus b square, which gives us 2 minus root 3. 2 square is equal to 4 and root 3 square gives us what? That is 3. 2 minus root 3 and the denominator is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So we need not to write over it over here. So the value of x, the value of 1 over x is 2 minus root 3. Now we are going to compute the value of x plus 1 over x. So x plus 1 over x, the value of x is already given, that that is x is equal to 2 plus root 3. So let us put x is equal to 2 plus root 3 and we have just calculated the value of 1 over x. So let us substitute the value of 1 over x, that is 2 minus root 3. So we have just written the value of 1 over x here. Now you can see that here is positive root 3 and here is negative root 3, which is cancelled out, and 2 plus 2 gives us 4. Now we are going to compute the value of x square plus 1 over x square, and finally we will calculate the value of x square minus 1 over x square. X square minus 1 over x square, it is of the form a square minus b square. So it can be factorized or written as x plus 1 over x times x minus 1 over x. We have already found the value of x plus 1 over x and we have not found the value of x minus 1 over x. So we need to find the value of x minus 1 over x. But first we need to find the value of x square plus 1 over x square. You can see that x plus 1 over x is 4. How will you get x square plus 1 over x square using this relationship or this equation? You can see that this expression involves two square terms. So If we a square on both side, a square both side, then we get x square plus 1 over x square plus 2 times a times b, and 4 square is equal to 16. You can see that here is 2 times x times 1 over x. X will be cancelled. So x square plus 1 over x square, this is 2. 2 will be moved to the right hand side. So here is positive 2, and on the right hand side it will be minus 2, which means the right hand side becomes 14. That means x square plus 1 over x square is 14. Now we are going to compute the value of x minus 1 over x. Let's see. We know that a minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab, or a minus b the whole square is equal to a plus b the whole square minus 4ab. Let us consider this identity. And in place of a we have x, in place of b we have 1 over x. So let us substitute the value of a and b, in place x and in place b 1 over x. So x minus 1 over x the whole square can be written as x plus 1 by x the whole square minus 4 times x times 1 over x. This x and x will be cancelled, and you already know the value of x plus 1 over x square. You can see that x plus 1 over x is nothing but 4. So let us substitute the value of x plus 1 over x, which is 4 square minus 4. 4 square is equal to 16 minus 4, which gives us 12. So x minus 1 over x the whole square is 12. So x minus 1 over x is equal to plus minus a square root of 12, which gives us plus minus 2 root 3. Now we are going to compute the value of x square minus 1 over x square. You see that x plus 1 over x is nothing but 4, because we have already calculated the value of x plus 1 over x, which is 4. So we have substituted the value of x plus 1 over x here, and the value of x minus 1 over x, we just calculated it, which is positive negative plus minus 2 root 3. So let us substitute plus minus 2 root 3, which on multiplication gives us plus minus 8 root 3. So the value of x square minus 1 over x square is nothing but plus minus 8 root 3. For more videos like this, you need to subscribe my channel, so that I can help you solving such beautiful problems of mathematics. So please subscribe, share and like my videos. Thank you.